Hi kiddos, it's Green Day for Rainbow Connection Week, and we're wearing our green today to show our positive attitudes during this time. Do you see my green shirt? Yeah, I've got Kermit the Frog on my shirt. In fact, earlier this week, Mr. Matus told us that one of his favorite songs of all time is the song called Rainbow Connection by Kermit the Frog. And maybe you already had a chance to watch it, but I thought it'd be fun if you and I watched it together. I came across the Rainbow Connection, a sing-along. So it's gonna have the words at the bottom. You and I can watch it together, okay? Let me move this up.
Why are there so many?
Can you see the words?
About rainbows?
They're a little bright, but
And what's on the other side?
I don't see Kermit yet. He'll be coming on soon.
Rainbows
I can hear him though.
But only illusions, and rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know they're wrong, wait and see. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me.
That's the part that I know, yeah. Well, do you see Kermit?
Who said that every wish would be heard and answered when wished on the morning star? Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it.
There he is.
Look what it's done so far.
Playing his banjo.
What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing? And what do we think we might see?
Can you sing this part? Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers,
the dreamers,
and me.
all of us under its spell. We know that it's probably magic. Have you been half asleep? And have you heard voices? I've heard them calling my name. Is this the sweet sound that calls the young sailors? The voice might be one and the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore it. It's something that I'm supposed to be. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me.
Oh, good job, friends. I love how you were singing along with me. Way to go. Oh, there's Miss Piggy.
Of course you did. Click below to subscribe.
Wait a minute.
Miss Piggy,
Oh,
did you
hold
ever
on.
see the action
Hold on.
of
My
themselves?
phone's ringing. Hold on a minute, friends. I'm so sorry. I didn't know I was going to be getting a phone call. Hold on. 1 minute. Hello? Hello?
Hello, Miss Piggy?
Miss Piggy? No, this is Mrs. Stewart. Who is this?
Oh, well, this is Kermit the Frog.
Who?
Kermit the Frog.
Wait, Kermit? Kermit the Frog? Like, we were just watching you.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, we just watched the song Rainbow Connection that you sang.
Oh, that's a great song. I had a great time making that song. I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah, it's an awesome song. Well, I have my kindergarten friends with me right now. I mean, they're watching me on video. Could you maybe say hi to them?
Oh, sure. Well, hello, boys and girls. How are you today?
Oh, they're doing really good, Kermit. In fact, We've not been able to be at school for a couple weeks now, but they have been working really hard at home, doing lots of activities and learning and reading. I'm so proud of them.
Oh, well, that's great.
Yeah, they're an awesome group of kiddos. Well, so you were trying to get a hold of Miss Piggy?
Yeah, I was trying to call Miss Piggy. I needed to talk to her about something.
Oh,
I must have dialed the wrong number.
Yeah, I think you dialed the wrong number, but I'm so glad that you accidentally got a hold of us and that you were able to say hi to the kiddos. Well, I hope you're able to get a hold of Miss Piggy and have a great day today, Kermit.
Oh, well, tell all the boys and girls to have a great rest of the week and to remember to take care of your local neighborhood frogs.
Oh, okay, I'll tell them. Kermit said take care of your local neighborhood frogs. Okay, we'll do that, Kermit. We'll see you later.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. I can't believe we just talked to Kermit the Frog. How cool was that? Well, we're going to do lots of fun frog activities today, so stay tuned. Okay, bye, friends.